The sound quality sucks on this camera, but this is the elevator. And in fact, it's an LG.
Oh, we got the middle one this time.
Yep.
Last time we got the end.
Let's go to 6.
This is a nice.
We'll do a sign trick, remember.
Look at these fixtures. '88 phone.
That is a weird beat.
It is. Photo eye. Oh, it's a nice system sensor ionization detector.
And the door close button works too. It lights up.
These are nice elevators.
Okay, we're gonna send this up to 6.
Yep.
Try and get another one.
Yep. There's another Waylock RSS.
Camera mic in my face to actually get in.
Yeah. Oh.
And
It gets the end one, of course, when I was heading towards the other one.
yes.
You should be careful for your mom.
The door almost closed on.
Almost closed on me. But it didn't. I wonder what the alarm sounds like in this one.
Well, don't push it.
I don't intend to. Remember when we accidentally pushed in the parking garage? It sounds like an Edward Genesis.
Cab view.
It's a nice cab. It's all modern. Like.
No, it's not modern. This is now.
No, I said modern, not modern.
Yeah, it's modern. God, I have to speak into that. I have to put the mic in my face to hear. Sorry for the low quality earbud. But
It's still something. I think we should.
oh, there is this one's. What the heck?
Indicators one. Look at that old detector right there.
Oh, and it's right here.
Yep.
Whoa, this is a hospital sized.
Oh dear God. Yes. No, hospitals are bigger. And I can turn around. It's double-ended.
Feet doesn't work on this one.
I don't like. Well, this one works on the side. Let's see the phone. ADA phone. Oh.
I find an LG elevator here. Let's get a cab view. This is more like a hospital sized elevator.
Hospitals are bigger because they need to fit a gurney and some people. So.
Oh.
Trust me, when we do the one with the huge, huge buttons.
Sheesh. Can't even imagine that. Alright, here we are at 1.
And now we get off.
The door closes.
System sensor detector.